What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I get started with today's video, I first want to make an announcement that the IPTV bundle service has reopened for new subscribers and now we're capping it at 50 subscribers. So for those of you that missed out on the last sale that they had going on and want to take advantage, right now they are reopened and will cap at 50 subscribers. So once 50 subscribers are met, they will no longer receive new customers. So for those of you looking to sign up for the 4 IPTV services for one price for 1 year, I'll be getting more into detail regarding that a little bit later on in the video. I'm now going to jump into the new service that they have going on that they will also be included in their IPTV bundle service as well. With that being said, let's get right into it. I'll be first going into the generic IPTV Smarters app. I chose to show you guys this service with this app first, just so you guys can get an idea of the amount of content offered with this new ITV6 IPTV service. They currently do not have movies or series, but they do have catch-up. So for those of you interested in some catch-up with your IPTV service, they definitely have that here to offer with the ITV6 service. I'll go into live TV. With this service, you get a little over 7,600 channels. I'm going to briefly run through these categories just so you guys can get an idea. But I'll be also covering it once I get on the website and showing you guys more of a breakdown of what they have to offer with this new service. So you get here your USA local channels, news networks, USA Entertainment, Kids Entertainment, Premium Movie Networks. You have Music Entertainment, Latino Entertainment, Canada Entertainment, UK Entertainment, 24/7 Entertainment, 24/7 Classic, 24/7 pay-per-view movies, 24/7 kids, 24/7 movie box sets, which I've never really seen before, ESPN, ESPN Plus, Sports and Outdoors, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, Latino Sports, UK Sports, pay-per-view live events, Canada Sports, MLB Extra Innings, NBA, NHL, NFL, NCAA, Big Ten Network, 11 Sports, Pac-12 Networks, iFollow. You also have here a Mexican section, European, Central and South America, which has an extensive section, Danish, Australia, Philippines, African, Caribbean, International, Adult if you choose so, and Internet Radio. You also have here a test channel section. And I just wanted to show you guys briefly how quick this service works. I'll go into ABC local networks. And there you have the USA ABC Atlanta. All of these channels work fairly quickly, so you shouldn't have any issues with getting up and running. Like I said, these channels go in very quick, and it's nice to see them bring a service that is cost effective and runs great. I'll back out of here. I'll be also going into the TV guide just so you guys can see it functioning. For the sake of the video, I'll click on USA Entertainment, and there you have it. I didn't have any issues with the TV guide being accurate, and for the most part, it updated with no issue. For the most part, all of the channels did have their proper TV guide, so you shouldn't have any issue with that being said. I'll back out of here. I'll be now going into the TV Mate application that the IPTV bundle service is offering with their service. Even though they no longer offer M3U, they also are offering multiple IPTV players with the luxury of having your Extreme Codes portal incorporated in it. So this TV Mate app only uses your username, password, and portal URL to get it up and running. That makes a luxury, not having to type in the long M3U playlist as well as the EPG playlist. So I'm just going to jump in real fast. Here you have a quick glance of what the TV Mate is all about. You have more of a cable feel with your service. And like I said, everything is very well laid out and very well updated. All of the categories on the left hand side, you click back and you can scroll through the different categories that the IPTV bundle service has to offer. I'm now going to be jumping onto my computer, showing you guys more of a breakdown of their new ITV6 service and also more information regarding their bundle for those of you that are interested in it. I'm now on the Ultimate IPTV Bundle website. I'll be leaving their URL on the top right hand corner as well as the description below, along with the original video for those of you that want to check it out. Here you have the Ultimate Bundle, which is their best value, which is 3 IPTV services and a premium video on demand service for 12 months for one price of $98. Like I had mentioned earlier in the video, they are having a sales limit of 50 subscribers. So once that is met, they want to make sure their quality control is there and they will stop accepting new subscribers. As I mentioned, they are including their new ITV6 service with the bundle, so you will be getting ITV3, 4, 6, and the video on demand service with this bundle. Not only that, their new ITV6 service, they are offering a different pricing package. So for those of you that do not want to commit to 1 year, can commit to quarterly payments of the ITV6 service. I'll now click on subscriptions, and I'll scroll all the way down to the new service that just came out that I recently reviewed. And here you have the ITV6. They do sell all of their services separately. So for those of you that just want a specific service, here you have the category views for each service just to get an idea of the amount of content they offer. And here's the quarterly amount for the ITV6 service. 4 connections, no IP locks for $20 for 3 months. If you want it for the full year, it will be $50. And again, 4 connections, no IP locks. Those of you interested in the Ultimate IPTV bundle, you will get ITV3, which is over 9,000 channels. 3 connections, no IP locks. You will get ITV4, 5 connections, no IP locks, and you get ITV6, 4 connections, no IP locks. So altogether, that is 12 connections of IPTV service, no IP locks, along with a 2 connection, no IP lock video on demand service. You have here the buy now button. Once you do click on this, it will take you straight to the PayPal checkout. So you are able to use PayPal as an option with this service. They feel totally confident regarding their service that they are offering a 4-day full money back guarantee regarding their services. But please note, after the 4 days, you will get a prorated refund. You also have here a support tab as well, where they basically break down their portal URLs as well as 3 of their applications that they offer with their service. You have here first the Multiview app. Second, you have the SmartEarth Pro. And third, you have the TV Mate I just recently reviewed that now uses Extreme Code's username, password, and portal URL. You also have here a Contact Us tab where Mike does his best on responding to you guys in a timely manner, but please keep in mind he is a one-man show and tries his best to answer everyone as quick as possible. That's going to do it for today's video. If any of you have recently purchased the Ultimate IPTV bundle or any of these separate IPTV services, I would really appreciate any sort of feedback you have to offer. That's going to do it for today's video. Anything mentioned in this video, as well as the original review, will be in the description below for those of you that want to check it out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.